Welcome to this tutorial on PowerShell Remoting. PowerShell Remoting is a powerful feature that allows you to execute commands on remote computers seamlessly. Instead of physically accessing each server or machine, you can manage them all from your local computer. This technology is essential for system administrators who need to manage multiple computers efficiently. Throughout this video, we'll explore what PowerShell Remoting is, how to set it up, and how to use it effectively in your daily administration tasks. PowerShell Remoting is a technology that enables you to run PowerShell commands on remote computers as if you were sitting right in front of them. It's built on the WS Management Protocol, which is an industry-standard protocol for remote management. All communication between your local computer and the remote machines is secure and encrypted, protecting your credentials and data. One of the most powerful aspects is that you can manage multiple systems simultaneously, making it perfect for environments with dozens or even hundreds of servers. This eliminates the need to manually log into each machine individually. Before you can use PowerShell Remoting, there are a few prerequisites you need to meet. First, you need PowerShell version 5.1 or later installed on both your local computer and the remote systems. Second, you must have administrator privileges on the remote computers you want to manage. Third, there needs to be network connectivity between your local machine and the remote systems. Finally, the Windows Remote Management Service, or WinRM, must be enabled and configured on the target computers. Don't worry if this sounds complex, we'll walk through the setup process step by step. To enable PowerShell Remoting on a target remote computer, you need to run a single command, enable-ps-remoting with the -force parameter. This command must be executed on the remote computer itself with administrator privileges. The -force parameter allows the command to run without prompting for confirmation, making it faster to set up. This command does several things automatically. It starts the WinRM service, sets it to start automatically with Windows, creates firewall rules to allow remote access, and configures the computer to accept remote commands. Once this is done, your computer is ready to receive remote PowerShell commands. Now let's look at how to execute a command on a remote computer. We use the Invoke-Command cmdlet for this purpose. The syntax is straightforward. You specify the computer name using the -computer name parameter, followed by the name of the remote machine in quotes. Then, you use the -script block parameter with curly braces containing the commands you want to run remotely. In this example, we're running get-service to check the status of the WinRM service on a computer named Server01. The command executes on the remote machine, and the results are sent back to your local computer. One of the most powerful features of PowerShell Remoting is the ability to execute commands across multiple systems simultaneously. Instead of specifying just one computer name, you can provide a comma-separated list of computer names. In this example, we're targeting Server01, Server02, and Server03 all at once. The script block contains a command to get all processes where the CPU usage is greater than 50. PowerShell will execute this command on all 3 servers in parallel and return the combined results. This is incredibly efficient when you need to gather information or make changes across your entire infrastructure. Sometimes you need to work interactively with a remote computer, running multiple commands in sequence. For this, we use the Enter-PSSession cmdlet. You simply specify the computer name with the -computer name parameter, such as Server01. Once you run this command, your PowerShell prompt changes to indicate you're now connected to the remote machine. Every command you type will execute on that remote computer, just as if you were sitting in front of it. This is useful for troubleshooting or performing complex tasks that require multiple steps. When you're finished, you simply type exit-PSSession to return to your local computer. Let's summarize the key benefits of PowerShell Remoting. First, it enables automation at scale. You can manage hundreds of servers with a single command, saving enormous amounts of time. Second, It's secure by default with built-in encryption and authentication mechanisms protecting your communications. Third, it provides centralized management, allowing you to control all your remote systems from one console instead of logging into each one individually. Finally, it offers tremendous time efficiency by eliminating the need for manual login to each machine. These benefits make PowerShell Remoting an essential tool for any Windows system administrator. Thank you for watching, and start practicing these commands in your own environment to become proficient with PowerShell Remoting.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.